Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the earnings conference call for H2 FY25 and FY25 of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, VGIL. Founded in 1997 and headquartered in Nagpur, Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited is a SaaS product focused company engaged in providing core banking software solution, IT solutions, ERP implementation, and customized software solutions development, IT services for the BFSI, ERP, and e governance domains. The company is primarily involved in the development, customization, installation, and implementation of software applications, along with comprehensive post implementation support, monitoring, and maintenance services for the delivered solutions. Let us begin with the introduction of the management team. We have with us today Mr. Avinash Shende, Promoter, Chairman, and Executive Director and CFO. Also joining us today is Mr. Sachin Pandey, Promoter and Managing Director and CTO. Mr. Shende oversees operations and finances at Virtual Galaxy Infotech, while Mr. Pandey drives technology and business development for the company. At this moment, all participants are in the listen-only mode. Later, we will conduct a question and answer session. At that time, you may click on the Q&A tab to ask a live question. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I would now like to request Mr. Sachin Pandey, Promoter and Managing Director, to give his opening remarks. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, esteemed investors and analysts. Myself, Sachin Pandey, Promoter, Managing Director and CTO here at Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited. I warmly welcome you all to Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, very first investor and analyst virtual meet since our successful listing on the NSE Merge platform May 1925. We are truly grateful for your interest and support as we embark on this new chapter as a publicly listed company. About Virtual Galaxy Limited, we'd like to inform that it was founded in 1997 and has since evolved into a reliable technology partner specialization in hybrid SaaS and enterprise software solutions for BFSI, governance, ERP, and other sectors. Our portfolio includes flagship products such as eBanker, IBS ERP, eAPMC, VPay for digital payment, CSOC for security operation center, loan originating system. These are the list, but last but not least, with multiple bank branches served and a team of 329 skilled professionals, we are committed to innovation, quality, and scalable growth. Our leadership team, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce the core leadership behind Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited. Mr. Avinash Shende, our promoter, executive director, and CFO and chairman, who leads our financial strategy and investor relationship with great expertise and integrity. Myself, Sachin Pandey, promoter, managing director, and chief technology officer at Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited. I am responsible for shaping the company's vision, driving technology innovation, and leading business development initiatives. Together, our leadership team brings decades of experience, a clear vision, and a hands-on approach to drive Virtual Galaxy's growth and value creation. As today's agenda, in today's meeting, I have briefly touched upon our company's journey. Mr. Avinash Shende, who is promoter, chairman, executive director, and CFO of the company, will share a brief overview of the company's financial performance for the fiscal year 24-25, highlighting our strong business growth and a solid performance across the operations. We look forward to an engaging discussion, your valuable insights, and continued partnership as we build on our success and scale a new heights together. Thank you for joining us.
Yes. Now, please play the presentation. So,
Yes, sir.
So, welcome all on behalf of Virtual Galaxy. As Sachin informed that this is our first ever investor meet after our successful IPO. So, I am happy to present you the Virtual Galaxy in a very short way. So, next slide, please. So this is a short financial snapshot of a company that how our story begins. We are now more than 27 years old company. This is a 28th annual report. Basically, we are presenting uh, more than 150 clients. We have around 350 employees. We have more than seven product portfolios. Products are in our portfolio. We are various certifications, quality certification like ISO and CMM we have, and I'm happy to inform you that this year we have achieved very good growth with all your supports from 61 crores to 121 crores, 120 crores with a decent PAT of 32.11 crores rupees with an EBITDA of 55 crores rupees. So this is around approximately we can say we have doubled the revenue this year. So our team has worked meticulously to achieve these figures. As, the Sachinji's contribution is very important into this bringing the business to the next level. Next slide. Next slide, please. So we are a very innovative company. Next slide, please. So about this slide is for myself and Sachinji. So we were basically a technocrats, first generation entrepreneur. We have started our journey since our college days, and both of us are having the engineering degree in computer technology. And then we did our MBA and started this company immediately after our engineering. MBA we did while doing the business. So altogether around 30 years of experience. Myself carries 30 years of experience. Sachin carries, and our team is also very qualified and experienced one. So altogether more than 60 years of experience we two brings to the company. Next slide, please. So it's our board of directors. We have a very renowned board of directors, Mr. Asit Obera, who is a veteran banker. He has served various banks in his more than 30 years of experience. Last job is as a CEO of S Bank, from where he has retired and now guiding us for doing the various businesses. Mr. Jaideep Pawar is also very well qualified, and he's from the Harvard University, and his name is very well recognized in the fintech industry of the India. So he is on various board and various advisory committees of the fintech ecosystem. Mr. Bhanupriya,
Yes.
Miss Bhanupriya is qualified CS company secretary. She is working in the Nagpur Smart City. Mr. Ayush is a professional advocate and practicing in Nagpur High Court.
Yes.
So this is very renowned and very qualified board we have. Next slide, please. Next. So this is our product portfolio. We have very good comprehensive product portfolio for EFSI and e-governance activities. So with respect to BFSI, we have a e-banker, which is a core banking solution. Then we have a virtual VPay as a supporting to e-banker. Then we have a loan originating system, which is also supporting to the our e-banker system, and we are providing this product to the various fintechs and banking ecosystem. Then we have IBS as our ERP product, which has been installed in various sugar factories, Solvex industry, and same product we carries in the government as well. So a lot of digital transformation at the government end has been done through this IBS product. Then we have e-autopsy software, which is a autopsy software for postmortem department of various government hospitals. So we are also scaling up this product throughout the Maharashtra and other states as well. Then we have a cyber security product and soft at our premises, and we are providing various cyber security solutions to the existing and new clients. This is all about the product portfolio of a Virtual Galaxy. Next slide, please. Next. So we have a captive data center at our end, and our applications are hosted on our data center. So this is required for providing the SaaS kind of services to our various clients. Around 40% of our revenue comes from this SaaS business. So this is very, very important. We provide data center management services, disaster recovery management services, cloud services, and along with the cyber security solutions as well. Next slide, please. This is a snapshot of our renowned clients. We have Reserve Bank of Malawi as our client. Then we have Dar es Salaam Commercial Bank, which is listed in Tanzania, is our client. Then Malawi Agriculture and Industrial Corporation, which is an 100% subsidiary of Reserve Bank of Malawi. We have given them integrated solutions where they at that client. Then we have various international clients, various SACCOs, various banks into Africa, in particularly in Tanzania and Malawi. And we are trying to grow more into the Africa. We are trying to reach Pan Africa region, as well as we are also planning to reach in various developing countries as well. This is another snap is a national presence. We are present in the 15 states of the country right now. Various state cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks, and urban cooperative banks are client, including Mizoram State Cooperative Bank, Goa State Cooperative Bank. So we are present in the length and breadth of the country. Then we are done various government projects also, like Maharashtra State Labor Welfare Board, Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board. We have done various government projects, and we have done various basically World Bank projects as well. So this is a snapshot of our clients. Next slide, please. So this is revenue. So we'll come to in the question and answer. So next slide, please. So as I informed that the initial slide I have given the snapshot, so we'll discuss in the due course of time. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. These are our core strengths, that various core strengths. We are a one-stop solution provider. We provide all gamut of services to our client, including with respect to BFSI, I can say the core banking solution, then loan originating system, then digital payment, and then cyber security and hosting their applications on our data center and disaster recovery side. So we are a one-stop solution for all the customer needs. So that is a we can say a big USP for our growing revenue. Then we have a diversified business across all the verticals. Like I already informed that we are into core banking solution, we are into ERP solutions, where we are serving to various industries and various government departments as well. That is why we have a diversified revenue streams, and I am very happy to share that the customers which we onboard for our services and products are very sticky natures, and I proudly say that we have customers more than 10 years also, and more than 20 years also. Some of the customers are more than 20 years as well. So say whenever we provide our solution to the client, we always take care of the client and provide them the latest solution and a technology to them so that they will be always with us. Next slide, please. So these are the basically. Then we have various quality assurance and quality certifications that our products are very qualitatively very strong, and we provide very uh, we can say rigid and quality products to the product to our client. As already said that myself and Sachin are experienced promoter, you can say, and we have a senior management team also which has a vintage of more than 10 to 15 years in, and the team is homegrown team, and all leadership team is vintage over 10 years. Next slide, please. So these are the key strengths, another key strengths, so we'll skip that slide. Thank you. So we are basically willing to scaling to the new heights now. We are also willing to grow around 80 to 70 to 80% year on year. That's what our basically target is. So a whole virtual galaxy team is working meticulously to achieve the targets and achieve the goals. Next slide, please. This is the equity structure, capital structure. So you can skip that slide.
Thank you.
This is all about a short introduction of virtual galaxy. Thank you very much. Now we will be opening a question and answer session. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. To ask a question, please click on the Q&A tab on the panel and click on the raise hand button. The operator will announce your name when it is your turn to ask a question. Please accept the prompt on your screen and unmute your microphone while proceeding with your question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles.
व्यवस्थित फोकस टाकण्याचं
ते कॅमेऱ्याच्या पोझिशन वर आहे
नाही नाही ठीक आहे सर आपण घेऊन कॅमेरा असं म्हटलेलं आहे
आवाज सर
आप ठीक है
Thank you. Our first question comes from the line of Ansh Nisar from Ansh Partners. Please go ahead. Mr. Ansh, your line has been unmuted. Please go unmute your line from your side and go ahead with your question, please.
Hello. Yes, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Good afternoon. Thank you for the opportunity. I would like to ask you, can you give me an update on the order book of the company?
We have around 50 crores of order book right now.
Okay, and could you tell me how many are executed, how many orders are pending? Any information on that?
Can you come again, please?
I'm asking, can you tell me which of the order, how many orders have been executed or of what value, and how many orders are remaining? Or
These are what I have informed is that these are new orders which we have in our hand.
Oh, okay, new
I'm,
orders of 50 crores.
yes,
Okay.
yes, that's
Okay, and my second question is, how do we plan on growing? Like you, as you mentioned, you want to grow from 70 to 80% year on year. So,
it's
what plan do you have for that?
so we have a very robust plan, and our team is working very meticulously. Our marketing team also and sales team is also working very hard to achieve the target, and we are confident that we will achieve with the past history. Will be definitely achieving the target which we have set for our team and our company.
I understand, sir, but sir, could you give me like a rough guideline or a rough idea as to what your plan is?
Yeah, yeah. So just want to add to that, being a, handling this business development. Actually, we right now have a presence in 15 states. We are going to increase it. The geographies will be increased. The product mix is already with us. The sales team and the centralized team is already. We are in the process of increasing to grab those opportunities. Apart from this, in the domestic side, we are also targeting the e-governance projects as well, apart from the BFSI segment, right? Uh, uh, Adding to that, we also would like to add the new geographies. Particularly, we are focusing more on the African side now, being the this is very virgin market, and there is a good chance of winning because the competition which we face is basically from the European and other big names which are there. However, being we are mid-size with a focused and innovative product, we are capable of handling that competition, and most of the time we are bidding and winning the contracts as well. So either the contracts are coming from the World Bank funded projects or even from their own, source. But wherever there is a good competition, we are usually excelling in that and getting those orders. So trying to reach there and getting ourselves ahead in the competition, that is what we are, right now looking for. So this is the innovative way we are approaching to the influencer and then various decision makers, explaining more about the product, being it is a B2B kind of business, you know very well. And there is a customer references also which are helping us a lot because of our good relationship and vast experience with them, and the product robustness what they are experiencing. We got good references also from our customers. So the other customers are, we usually do the site visits and all. We make sure that every stone is unturned, and that is what we expect, through which we are expecting a good growth in the business. The product itself is a very good readily available product which can be rolled out quickly, right? And collaborations are also there with various the partners in various regions.
Further, answering to your question, sir, we are also going into the India market, which is like Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Uttaranchal, Odisha, Jharkhand, which are untapped market in terms of the digitalization. And there are certain aspects which, as in company's policy, that various department is we are trying to get that the work should be, we should get the work orders. So absolutely we got a good funnel, the name funnel in Indian geography as well. So by and large, I mean, we will definitely shift our focus from these 15 states to at least 25 states or 30 states per se, and from 4 or 5 countries of the other side, that we will try to fetch at least the 11 or 12 countries of the African market. The Asian market also we are trying, just because of little geopolitical situation is surrounding over there. So that's why again, I mean, we had one a good call with the reputed client in Israel. Unfortunately, the war kind of situation is there, and because of that, it is not converted yet. So there is no firmness on that. But in future going, definitely you will see that Virtual Galaxy is not only limiting to India, and it will be the one of the best, finest company in BFSI segment, serving clients across the globe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Just one last question. Is it possible to meet the management, like have a meeting with the management?
Yes, of course, but the team and the management is traveling till 30th of this June, and 7th probably we are just preparing some the calls and everything. So 15th of July onwards we can have one-to-one meeting.
Yeah.
We are creating one corridor where we will send all the invitees, dignitaries that we will have the boot camp sort of where we can have one-to-one meetings in a company premises, and we are also planning to have a analyst day out, which is I think just the 25-30 days away once we get the after the AGM of the company. So I think, sir, you can participate in that analyst day out, and you can take a office tour, the premises tour, the technology side of the aspect, and you can meet the people.
We are very happy to host you.
Yeah, as a Nagpur, we are a very good host.
So we are happy to host you. Even it's an open invitation to all of you to come down to our office and have a look at it.
It's your office, sir. It's your
office.
company.
Yes. So
It's
we are
your
more than
company.
happy.
We are more than happy to host you.
Thank you so much for the kind words and thank you for the time. All the best to you guys. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next question is a text question from Naitik M with NV Alpha Fund. The first question is, how do we book recognize revenue under the SaaS product and software sale revenue?
So the business which is recurring nature is definitely a SaaS revenue, and the order one-time revenue and the new orders we can receive the company is a one-time sale for the company. That is the method which we are identifying the revenue as a SaaS revenue and a one-time revenue.
The second question is, what percentage of revenue came from the MF state in FY25 and how do we plan to reduce dependence of single state?
Okay, thank you. So see, since our company is dealing in the cooperative segment, the cooperative segment itself has a very good presence in the Maharashtra. Around 40% of the cooperatives are in Maharashtra. Out of 1545 urban cooperative banks, around 550 banks are in Maharashtra itself. But we are not dependent on the Maharashtra. Definitely, we have a presence in 15 states of India, and we are trying to increase to the around 20-22 states in the India. And as I have already informed you while my presentation that we are present in the Mizoram state as well as in Goa state as well. So we are also focusing on the seven sisters of the country and in the western part of the country as well, which is well developed with respect to all cooperatives and all these things. So definitely we are trying to reach more states and trying reducing the dependence from the state of Maharashtra. Yes, Sachin, you want to say something?
Yeah, I just want to add more on this. What Abhinashji told you more about the cooperative sector. This is also now getting, another wings due to, focus from the Honorable Home Minister and the Cooperative Minister, Mr. Shahji, and they are pushing it very hard to scale it to the new height. But there we have a presence. However, in the NBFC side and other sides also, it has been wide open for core banking software, as new RBI guidelines suggest that more than 10 branches, those NBFCs which are having more than 10 branches has to have the core banking system to be put in place rather than just using the normal, different module kind of software there. So there is a business opportunity. Moving forward, you see that the opportunities are there from the fintechs also, who are willing to join with various banks and utilizing this, lending kind of platforms and other things. We are being a technical solution provider can offer them, and we are also expecting the business from length and the breadth of the overall country rather than specifically concentrating only on the state of Maharashtra. Being it is the place of origin, it is there, but you will see that the shape will be definitely taken by the company with respect to a company of participating across the Indian overall Indian geography, and apart from that on the other developing nations also, where we are having very good chance of getting these products to be deployed in various such similar kind of institution, where be it is a microfinance or it is credit unions or it is the banks, where we can focus there. Even on the e-governance side, we are having a very good. We see the opportunity lies in various other geographies, excluding Maharashtra as well. Yeah. Hope I.
Thank you, sir. The third question is, can we break into larger private public banks, as this would cement our product's position?
Yes, we are basically, apart from core banking, we have other products as well, which are in and around core banking. So we are also targeting some of the public sector and a private banking sector. So definitely we are looking for that business as well, and our team is also working on that and finding out the opportunities to be tapped in. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Bhavya Cheda with Seven Islands PMS. What is the revenue split between product sales and AMC contract for last 3 years?
That last 3 years, really.
Just a minute.
So, sale of products and software basically for the year 2025 is 56 crores, and then for the financial year 2024 it's 20 crores. SaaS revenue is this year's SaaS revenue is 52 crores, and last year's it was 30 crores. Sale of hardware is last year is also 11 crore, and this year is also approximately 11 crores. These are the bifurcation for 2 financial years. I can read out for the third last 3 years as well, but I don't think it is add some values. So this 2 years is the revenue breakup I have informed. Yes, please.
Thank you.
जी आप आपके सवाल का जवाब मिल गया आपको, या हम रिपीट कर दें एक बार हिंदी में?
Yes, please.
हम लोग अगर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2025 की बात करते हैं तो हमारा सास सेल ऑफ रेवेन्यू जो आया है प्रोडक्ट से, वो आया है 56 करोड़ 21 लाख रुपए का, विच इज 46% ऑफ द टोटल रेवेन्यू. हमने सास रेवेन्यू अचीव किया है 52 करोड़ 12 लाख, which is a 43.39% of the last year. एंड जो सपोर्ट इनबिल्ट सिस्टम देते हैं हम, जो हार्डवेयर और सपोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो 11% जनरल 9% जनरली कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, which is equivalent to 11.80 करोड़. सो लास्ट ईयर 120 करोड़ का बाइफर्केशन में हमारा प्रोडक्ट बेस और सास बेस ही रेवेन्यू इज कमिंग अराउंड 90%, and rest 10% is coming from the other hardware sales and the integration and the other things. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our next question comes from the line of Abhishek Nair from Sharjah Asset Management. It's a text question. What is the guidance for revenue and PAT 2026?
ये सवाल बड़ा अच्छा है सर. अभिषेक जी, सर हम लोग साल में 220 करोड़ रुपए का रेवेन्यू अचीव करना चाहते हैं. उसमें से हम लोग 100 करोड़ का H1 में हम लोग अचीव करना चाहते हैं with the same kind of profit margins. There is no compromise on that. एंड सर हम लोग नेक्स्ट हाफ में थोड़ा सा बेटर प्रेजेंट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि कंपनी जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो डिलीवर करे.
Yes.
जी. Sachin sir, if you want to add or Avinash.
No, it's okay. Already Mangesh has informed that. So Also, my presentation, I have informed that we are trying to achieve around 70 to 80% year-on-year
Yes.
growth into that with the same margins which we have currently we have, and that is a sustainable margins which we are definitely going to achieve along with the 70 to 80% of growth on year-on-year. Hope I satisfy the answer. Yes,
Thank
please.
you. Our next text question is from Akash Savlani from Future Front Edge LLP. The question is, क्या हम banking industry के next Finacle बन सकते हैं?
So we are very happy.
या आमीन कहेंगे हम इसको.
Yes,
या तथास्तु.
Just want to share you the thoughts about it. See, in the mid market size, we are performing better than the peers, and willing to go for the higher, jumping on higher side. So on the turf of these mid-sized banks, wherein we offer the solution to various district central cooperative bank, just want to inform you that there are two banks who were earlier working
Using.
and through the SI, which is Wipro, they are using the core banking of Finacle, which is Infosys. And due to the frequent changes asked by the NABARD, and there is a priority sector lending for the farmers and all changes, and there is an interest subvention, certain, there is a farmer, distress because of there are scheme of loan waivers, etc. All those quick reporting, etc., which is what we offered, through which we got the orders from them. We received the two such banks in our portfolio. One is Yavatmal District Central Cooperative Bank, and another is Aurangabad DCC. Both shifted from Finacle to our product, and in fact, they are. You can always check. They are more happy now. It's an integrated product along with the after sales service which we are able to, give them compared to the peer, because although they are very big,
super giants,
but in this turf we are giving better option than them. That is what we would like to highlight.
And I also say that we are definitely, our plans are very big and we are very ambitious and we are willing to grow the company. So definitely, as you said, we are more than happy to enter into that sphere of the business, and definitely will achieve the same in very short period of time. Thank you very much.
और आकाश जी, आपने जैसे पूछा है आखिरी में आपका जस्ट ये चाहते हैं कि ई बैंकर लोग याद रखें, फिनाकल को भूल जाए कुछ सालों में, और ई बैंकर को कंपेयर करें पीयर टू पीयर रिव्यू में, लोग ये बात करें कि ई बैंकर जैसा सॉफ्टवेयर कब बनेगा. Fingers are crossed.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Smart Horizon Opportunity Fund. What percentage of revenue is derived from government contracts versus private sector clients? How do you mitigate client concentration and payment delay risk, especially in government projects?
See, BFSI basically government at present government revenue is less. BFSI is around 90% is BFSI, which is semi-government, and around 10% is from the government. Now we are focusing more on the government as well to increase the revenue, and as you said, how you will be mitigate to, we are definitely concentrating on various government departments and activities, and we have a very robust product portfolio for that. We have a IBS ERP, which is a digital transformation product for a government department, and we have the e-autopsy software, which is meant for the government hospitals only. And apart from that, we have a cybersecurity product which can go across the sector, and government is also one of the sector where we are pitching the cybersecurity product as well. So that's the basically we can say future of.
Thank you.
Yes.
Our next question comes from the line of Akshay Shah from Toro Wealth Managers LLP. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. In the last year, first half year revenue was around 72 crore, while second half was around 42 crore. Why is such skewness in revenue last year?
See, um, we are actually dealing into the projects, various projects, and last year some of the projects has been basically shifted from last quarter to the first quarter of the financial year, and this is a phenomena. Basically, this can happen this year also, but it's not like that. We have the sale has been deepened down. Overall growth, if you can take, we have grown more than 100% and achieved more than 100% growth, along with the very handsome margin bottom line. So there is no specific, basically reason we can say. Our team is working very hard, and some project may billing may happen in the first quarter or the first half of the year, and some half yearly contracts may slip into the next year as well. So this can happen, but it's not like that we are only comparing with the H1 and H2 only. This may happen, and you can. I request you that you can see overall growth of the company.
Yes, sir. Just to addition to the Avinashji's concern, sir, business is little lumpy. There is no seasonality as such, and we cannot compare, sir, always this business on H1 to H1 or H2 basis. We have to see, sir, the across years number, because it is upon that budget, it is upon that order getting, then tracking, then implementation, then getting revenue billing, booking, and delivery of a product. So it's an integration of a one company. Onboarding client is also itself a very sticky job, and that is why. So, and there is one more very humble and genuine answer to this, that we were the as in company. As in management, we were more, that 1 month, 2 month was behind this IPO process. It was very robust process. So yes, because of that, some order have been shifted to this quarter, and I think it will reflect into the H1 results. So there is no decline of sale as such.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. I just want to understand that whether it's seasonable or not. I got understanding. Second question is, you want to increase your export to 50% in next 3 to 5 years, but what is the target for FY26?
We are FY26. We are willing to double the export revenue, at least double the export revenue, which we have around. What is
Twenty
around
percent.
20%, from 10% to 20%.
Domestic export.
Export is at present is at 7.36%.
सर गाइडेंस नहीं दोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा सर, बेटर रहेगा.
हाँ, ओके, ठीक है. तो हम बेसिकली एक्सपोर्ट रेवेन्यू नेक्स्ट ईयर भी डबल करना चाहते हैं. वहां से हम, इसीलिए हमने बोला कि 5 साल में 5 से नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स हम उसको अराउंड 50% के आसपास लेके जाएंगे.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. And our next question is a text question from Nikhil Chaudhary from Toro Wealth Managers LLP. Can you explain the two products? What is your revenue model in those? E-Autospy. What initiated this product? How many players? Size of opportunity? Even we pay.
Perfect.
Yeah, thanks. Coming to the e-autopsy, this particular is the post-mortem management software installed in 2 of the medical colleges in Nagpur, and the discussion is going on with various governments to implement it across the state. And being it is a product where there are negligible competition, rather we can say, and along with the product features like voice recognition and some AI added features in that, it becomes a unique product in this particular segment. We can say kind of blue chip There are few reporting product which is available from NIC, etc. But it is just the reporting. Whatever manual reports are being prepared there, those get uploaded to the concerned government departments. However, this will be a game changer for them. That's and a kind of, we can say, in the marketing side, it's a blue ocean kind of product right now, and it has a opportunity across the countrywide. We being it is a product particularly best suited for the government hospitals in the Indian context. It will be a game changer here, and we are expecting good revenue growth from this particular product. Going forward for the digital payment solution, which we say as a VPay, and the VPay as such is a product which, although it is a B2C kind of product, we can use, or even B2C, in which our bankers, those who are our customers, they can extend it to their customers. So we have an ecosystem in which, let's say, 70-80 lakh customer base probably is obviously the user of this product VPay. Most of the banks which are not able to avail the digital banking facility because of certain criteria which they are not meeting with the RBI, they are able to utilize them through our third-party option of the VPay, wherein we can offer them the BPS, UPI payment received as a, either you can use the sound box, or you can even utilize on the QR code and then listening the voice in various languages of the payment received. That is what available. And apart from that, you see this BPS and other activities which are related to the digital, payment ecosystem, which can further be integrated within this particular product. So can be, ever expanding super app, we can say. Like right now there are some booking, like others are offering similar to that, your hotel booking or your the other bookings can also be done. So these all facilities in turn the banks can offer to the customers which belongs to them, and we have a connectivity for this through the specific arrangement called BAPA, that is bank as a PA. So through that we are riding through the Yes Bank. It is a unique, we got that opportunity, and we have a tie-up with them, through which we are becoming the payment aggregator, and we are able to aggregate this payment through which we can onboard the customers directly also. It is a kind of B2C we can offer to all across the India for the QR code or for the sound box, and those are tested. Right now we are offering this to the banks only, but
focus is also on the banks only. We are B2B business, basically. We are not B2C business, but the bank can provide the solution to their customer. That's why it's a B2C model, you can say.
Yeah.
Business to business to customer.
So
we are enabling all banks, those who don't have a capability, to provide all kind of a digital payment solutions to their customers. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next text question comes from Devang Doshi from Glance Capital. Sales as of date, April to till date, how many branches under SaaS has been covered, and how many more you are expecting to add during this year? Revenue breakup along with margin.
That I will come back to you, because I don't have that statistics with me right now. So definitely we are growing. So I will send this answer to you via another media. Right now I don't have, since we don't have a ready statistics, we cannot answer this question. We'll come back to you.
In general, we told that the increase in the revenue will, and for the year, growth we are expecting is around 70 to 80% as a in general growth, in which definitely there will be a
seeing that growth which we are seeing on half yearly basis.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Om Thakkar from Smart Horizon Opportunity Funds. Capex on intangible and tangible assets is significantly high this year. Could you elaborate on the nature of these investments?
बोलिए.
Yeah, please.
Hello. Yes, actually we have capitalized the cost that has been incurred in 24 in the financial year 24-25 as the product is developed, and we are in an inclined for the capitalization in the coming financial year as whatever the R&D cost. Yes, also the accounting policy earlier we adopted has been not changed. Whatever the cost that has been incurred on the R&D activity has been going to capitalize in terms of intangible assets for the software development. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. So should I move to the next question?
Yes.
Our next text question comes from Lucky Investments from Ashish. What kind of H1 FY26 sales guidance? What kind of PAT margin for FY26?
I have already answered this question. We are looking for an around 70-80% growth. So same guidance will be there.
Thank you, sir. Our next question comes from Naitik from NV Alpha Fund. Which other companies we compete with in India? What are the intangibles we have booked in balance sheet? Have increased from 24 crores to 30 crores from FY24 to FY25. Can you please name our largest Indian customer bank?
Sorry, sir. Question is.
I think
Three questions got been coupled up.
One by one, I think we should address your answer if we go for. The one is the one which is the largest customer right now is here in India is State Transport Employee Cooperative
Bank in Maharashtra.
Bank in Maharashtra having around 63 branches. However, why we are seeing larger in terms of the revenue which is obtained from them is larger. In terms of branches, if you see, the largest customer is the Aurangabad District Central Cooperative Bank having 135 branches with them. Then the other question which you asked about the competitors, we compete with here the various players in and around. The one which is Infrasoft, who is got the funds earlier, and they are the one who are earlier having certain banks which we now obtained from them. And apart from that, there are few others like Virmati and the Finacus from Mumbai, and there are VSoft from Hyderabad. There are the players who are here. One is here, in fact, a trust in Nagpur as well. Then, but the size-wise, the earlier which we discussed are the bigger ones, to whom we actually address and fight more. Then, if you go for the other aspects, we compete with the Temenos. Then there is a FlexCube also, and there is one particular Relam software from one specific company who has got very good, earlier vintage in Africa. So we also replaced that Relam software from them, and mostly in the African side, these are the players to whom we are competing. Hope I address these two. And the third one is basically you are asking about the financial, so can you come up again with that third question, please?
Yes, sir. The third question is, can you please name our largest Indian customer bank?
So
Yeah, that
name already Sachin ji has informed that one of the state bank in cooperative bank in Maharashtra, which contributed around 43 crores of the order.
State Transport Employee Cooperative Banks.
One of the cooperative bank in Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Should I move to the next question, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Rajesh Singla from VTG Capital. Can you provide a detailed business overview of your data center operations and explain the scalability of that business?
Data center operations you are asking about, it's a captive data center which we offer not as a separate, separate kind of line item, but the combination of this data center services included in our overall project as a part of SaaS, hybrid integrated SaaS model. And we provide that solution combinedly with our software as a service, in which this DC, DR as a business continuity plan, then the overall even the CSOC, etc. together, and combinedly we offer that as a hybrid integrated SaaS model. So this is what about utilization of data center services in our product line.
So data center is captive for us basically. We are not into that data center business which we are thinking that we are going to build a data center and then selling to the data center. It's a captive for us. The product which we provide to our customers, we host their applications on our data center and DR side. Next question, please.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Jalaj Manocha from Swan Investments. Could you please break up the business into segments across products and data center services and explain each segment separately? Also, could you customize across each segments what percentage of revenue is spent as R&D expenses?
Okay.
So पहले सेगमेंट का आंसर कर देते फिर R&D करते हैं. इतने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं हमारे पास.
So your first question, basically we have product wise revenue. The e-banker is around contributing 78% in the revenue. Then ERP is 7.78% of the total revenue. E-governance at present is at low at 0.5%. Then VPay and others are the basically enabler for e-banker sale. So we have VPay revenue is clubbed into the e-banker and it's 0.31% only. Then e-autopsy is also very less at present because POC has been done and we are willing to multiply that business into various government hospitals. And the hardware related revenue is 9.82%. These are the revenue mix for all products and services for Virtual Galaxy for year 2025. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Remy Butt, who's an investor. Good afternoon, team. Though unconventional question and may sound slightly out of line, what I understand is that our closest peer in BFSI space is Trust Fintech, which got listed last year. In IST call, they gave guidance 100% growth. However, in reality, their top line fell down, margins fell.
Okay. So you said that it's the nearest competitor, but it's not the fact. जितना उनका रेवेन्यू है उतना तो हमारा पैट है. तो उनके साथ हमको कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. But definitely they have a core banking product and we also have a core banking product. But our product portfolio is much bigger than what they have. We are having a diversified product portfolio and diversified revenue as well. And our target is also bigger. Our reach is also bigger. Our team is also bigger. So definitely we are not competing with them. And I cannot say anything about other company with their revenue is dip and down. I can definitely say confidently that Virtual Galaxy, whatever we are saying, will definitely achieve that figures. Hope I answer your question.
Thank you. Our next text question comes from Rahul Arya from Wealth Wizards. Can you provide a detailed business overview of your data center operations and explain the scalability of that business? How much revenue?
Just how Sachinji has answered this question, that data center business, and also I have added into it that the data center business is the captive business for Virtual Galaxy. We host all applications of our customers which we provide to them. So it's not like a traditional data center business which we are looking or considering for. It's a captive data center and we host applications, we provide them cloud solutions in, you can say, as a SaaS model basically. For that we are using the data center.
Thank you. So his second question is, how much revenue ramp up are you targeting from your cyber security product this financial year?
So I cannot answer specifically that how much revenue percentage wise, but definitely it will contribute a good amount of revenue into the top line of the business.
We can say that in future going, the cyber security will be the major contributor into the business, and which can derivably say that we can 10 to 12% definitely can be the in the going concern. And context.
Also, I am happy to inform you that recently we got 2.5 crores of rupees order from our existing client from the northeast section of the country for the cyber security only. So definitely it is going to contribute a substantial portion of revenue. Yes, please.
Thank you, sir. So our next text question.
We'll take another two questions and then we'll, because. So last two questions, please.
Yes, sir. So our next text.
Sorry.
So our next text question comes from the line of Roshan Narkade, who's an investor. Your core banking clients, cooperative banks, NBFCs, typically have limited IT budgets. What evidence do you have that they'll pay premium prices for your data center services versus cheaper alternatives?
See, if a customer wants a good solution, good service, good product, then definitely they have to pay for that. And we are with comparison with the bigger companies, our solution is quite affordable. So definitely there is a budget, and those who can afford, then we only approach to them. We are not going for a single branch and this kind of a customers which not giving the revenue. So we are concentrating on bigger banks and bigger customers as well. Also we are focusing on government. So it's not an issue for paying charges for our product. So definitely we are catering that in.
See, apart from that, just want to add that if you take the TCO, total cost of ownership, which they anyway aware, because the migrations are going on, the earlier solutions get replaced. So they are not the first time users. They are already having certain products with them. When they are unhappy, they are going to change it. So when they are unhappy, it is because of the services where they are getting and lagging behind. The lot of compliances has been increased from RBI and other regulatory bodies, which they have to anyway address. for which they usually prepare the budgets now and make the necessary payments to us. That is what.
Yes sir, there is in a way we, I mean हम जनरल भाषा में अगर इंडिकेटिवली इसको समझे तो वो एप्पल जो कोऑपरेटिव बैंक है वो एप्पल अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन नोकिया सैमसंग अफोर्ड कर सकती है। तो जो कंपनी हम लोग जो दे रहे हैं विच इज लाइक, और अगर हम लोग इसको व्हीकल के साथ में अगर हम लोग करें तो महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा इज द करेक्ट एग्जांपल। वो मर्सिडीज की उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, उनको महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा से उनका काम हो रहा है। एंड वी आर हैप्पी दैट वी आर महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा ऑफ इंडिया, एटलीस्ट वी आर इंडियन कंपनी, वी आर क्रिएटिंग आवर ओन सॉल्यूशन, we are creating our own products, we are serving our own nation. So I don't think so that they might have be in the micro pockets and deep pockets of and divided into the several branches, but no mind that getting business out of that, because ultimately we have to do the business. We are specialized in cooperative sector, we are specialized in BFSI sector. We cannot say that there is a less what we can say, because budget. Now they are also competing with the private segment banks like small EU Finance Bank, Utkarsh Bank, Unity Bank. Everybody is now talking and working that how they can get their good businesses like us. So in going concern, definitely we will more focus, we will rigidly more monitor the cooperative sector, and it is becoming the, earlier it was like a cooperative sector, but now it's a cooperative ministry, and Amit Shah ji is heading that department. So you can understand the impact and the importance of that ministry in our whole ecosystem, sir. I hope I have answered you.
Willingness of paying more is there.
Yes, every company now have, there's budget for quality, they can able.
Yes.
The CEO of the Panchayat village, they're using the Skoda and the other things, from Bolero to Skoda, they have jumped.
Yes, on the lighter note, yes. We are saying that there is a willingness to pay, which we have seen doing this business. That for sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Our next text question comes from the line of Akash Savlani from Future Front Edge LLP. क्या हम बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री के नेक्स्ट फिनिकल बन सकते हैं? क्या हम बड़े प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक को एज अ कस्टमर टारगेट कर रहे हैं इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर में?
यस आकाश जी, हम लोग डेफिनेटली सम प्राइवेट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक जो है उनके लिए हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और वो जब नए लाइसेंस बनेंगे, जब नई बैंक्स और आएंगी, बिकॉज शुरुआत से ही वो सॉफ्टवेयर कैसा रहेगा, क्या रहेगा, उसके हिसाब से बैंक प्रपोजल बना रही है। In future, you will definitely see that some of private banks are using our core banking software. I mean, again, I am clearing here that we are talking about CVS and not our other value-added services which we are already providing to the private banks as well. So, let us. Your company will deliver definitely, sir. Just. I think it's a matter of a half month, a half year, or a matter of quarter. But we will definitely step into some private bank with the CBS.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last question for the day. I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. Mangesh More for closing comments.
Thank you so much. Thank you, देवी और सज्जनों, आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार। सबसे पहले आप आए एंड ये सबसे पहली मीटिंग, एनालिस्ट मीटिंग वर्चुअल गैलेक्सी ने कंडक्ट करी। हमने पूरा प्रयास किया दिल से, और जो हमारी कंपनी का जो कल्चर है, जो कंपनी का एक वाइब है, हमने उस पूरे कोशिश की कि हम आपके क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कर पाए। इन केस अगर आपको लगता है कोई भी क्वेश्चन अनआंसर्ड था या उसमें कोई स्कोप है, आप प्लीज कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं ईमेल के द्वारा या मोबाइल से। हम उसको एड्रेस करेंगे रिलेवेंट टाइम पे। And one important task is we are going to have our analyst day out and investors day out in the company in the coming month, probably in the August, just after settling the first set of monsoon. So I mean, I would like to invite each and everyone who have participated, and I'm literally blissful and thankful for your kind support. Your company will do amazingly things in the future. Thank you so much. And special thanks to Team Fortuna, those who have arranged all this thing. My special regards to them. Thank you. Thank you so much, team. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any pending questions, please feel free to contact the company at investors@vgipl.in. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Virtual Galaxy Infotech Limited, that concludes today's session. Thank you for your participation. You may now click on the exit meeting to disconnect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a lot, everyone.